This is Motorola Moto E32s, and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can set up the VPN connection for free on this device. So the first step is to download the Turbo VPN app. That's the most convenient free tool allowing you to connect to VPN, at least that I know of. So make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi, open the Play Store, sign into your Google account if you haven't already. Now look for the Turbo VPN app. Here I have it. Then install. Once ready, just go ahead and launch the app. In here, tap at the Agree and Continue button, then wait for the application to get loaded or to load itself. And once inside the app finally, in order to initiate the VPN connection, just tap at the caret icon that is trapped inside the circle over here. Then go for the OK option and accept or allow the connection request. And once you are connected to VPN, you'll see that you are actually connected, and you can tell that by this little key icon or indicator at the status bar. While connected to VPN, you can change the server or the country ultimately that you are connected to. So right now my connection is set up for Netherlands. I'll reconnect myself to, let's say, German server. And once you're ready to disconnect, simply tap at the cross icon over here. It is that simple. And well, that will be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.